This person is going to create wealth. He is going to be rich, and the difference is only what? 5%. The difference is only 5% growth. Let's suppose there are two people out here, right? One is Fahad, and let's suppose one is Ramin. ठीक है? Fahad is a risk taker and he understands the concept of compounding, right? And Ramin says कि नहीं यार इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता 2-4% से क्या फर्क पड़ेगा? So it doesn't bring a value to me. So let's suppose both of them start with an initial amount of 10 million, okay? And Fahad has listened to me, understood me, and he thinks कि मुझे जो है वो minimum 20% जो है per annum कमाना है, right? So he wants to go for that. He wants to target 20 million. 20%, sorry. Not 20 million, 20% per annum, right? So उसके ऊपर लिखें कि in 10 years time, 10 million if successfully, multiplies by 20% per annum, इसमें आप ऊपर डालेंगे 10 million, वो डॉलर्स में आएगा, but doesn't matter. 10 million डालें, then उसको जो है वो 20% per annual उसको कंपाउंडिंग करें. Furthermore, आप 10 years के अंदर ईयरली कंपाउंडिंग रेट लगेगा और उसको करें. What is the total amount of money he will have after 10 years? Let's suppose he does that. 20% average growth है. I'm not saying कि जनाब हर साल उसको ये मिलेगी, but let's suppose कि 20% is average growth per annum. 72 million, right? So, but Ramin is extra smart. He says, I will keep in the bank with 15%. Yeah, there was a question कि बैंक में पैसे रखाने चाहिए. So, उसने कहा कि बैंक में पैसे रखाती. So, अब 20 को जरा 15 पे करना है. क्या फर्क पड़ेगा? 5 लाख ही कम मिल रहा है ना. सेव तो हूँ 40 million.
What a boy.
I mean, initially क्या था कि टोटली ये सिर्फ डिफरेंस कितने का है? 5 million का. लेकिन एक्चुअली अब कितना फर्क पड़ गया है? 28 का तकरीबन 28. Now just imagine this happens for the next 10 years. अब आप करें 20 years पे करें 197 million Ramin. Okay. And this one. So what's happening here? In the next 10 years, this person is going to create wealth. He is going to be rich. And the difference is only what? 5%. The difference is only 5% growth. So this is why it is very important that you should target the maximum returns, right? 15% और 20% के अंदर 5% का फर्क नहीं है. 15% में और 20% में 250 million का फर्क है भाई. So this is a very good example of compounding utilization. And also how time can make your investments work magic, right? Compounding is like magic. So compounding works like magic over a period of time. So this is a very good example. And that is why, when someone tells you, please tell him this example. You see, if you want to take a 14% from the bank, I don't have an issue. But please listen to me. Over the period of next 20 years, you will only have a value of 197 million. Whereas another person who is just taking 5% extra, just 5% extra, will actually be twice or thrice, almost thrice हो गया. 330 million का difference है, exact. So that's even more. And just imagine the next year, 10 years. ठीक है ना जी? So just imagine कि जी कि अगले 10 सालों में कहाँ पे जाएगा? 3747 goes into billions now. 875 and 300, 400 times. Just with a bare minimum difference of 5%. कोई 20%. So you're understanding my point. Once you're talking about, because a lot of people forget this thing. That's not just your money. It's not just your profits. The most important factor in wealth creation is
Your time.
time. So if you are consistent and persistent, a small fraction of improvement in your investments will give you huge returns over a period of time compared to someone who is not taking that simple plain risk.